Our top news this week. Televisual magazine have released the results of their annual production technology survey for 2018 after asking more than 200 senior programmers, executive producers, series producers, line producers and directors what cameras they used in making their programs. Much like last year, the Sony FS7 was named the most frequently used production camera with 28% of the vote, followed by the Canon C300 Mark II with an 11% share. The Arri Mirror and Alexa, as well as the Sony F5, complete the top 5. Rotolight have launched the Neo 2 Explorer kit, which is one of the lightest 3-head kits on the market, weighing in at just below 7 kilos. Apart from including 3 award-winning Neo 2 LED lights, the Explorer kit also includes light stands, colour effects filters and power supplies. The Rotolight Neo 2 is an all-in-one high-speed sync flash and continuous on-camera LED, offering 0 recycle time, making it the perfect hybrid LED for both photography and video. And last but not least, we want to invite you to join us in our new lighting workshop next week on July the 4th with light panels and professional photographer and filmmaker David Newton, where you can learn new lighting tips and skills for both photo and film. During the session, you'll explore the use of light panels LED technology, including the new Gemini 2x1 RGB WW soft light for both filming and photography. That's it for this week. We'll be back next week with more news in 90 seconds.